Okay, so today I'm going to be making a stir fry with tofu. I'm doing some vegetarian this week, so let's see how this goes. Obviously, you'll need some vegetables here. A lot of stuff is out of season right now, so I bought this bag. I believe it was a little over $5. It's about 3.5 pounds of vegetables, almost. I think it was good for the buy. I'll probably use this twice, maybe 3 times the most. So we have that. We have our tofu. That's 1 cup of tofu. I put the remainder back into the refrigerator in some water to store it. This I found at Walmart. I think it was $1.94. It was really cheap, and it's almost a pound. So I plan on getting at least 2 meals out of this whole thing. So I think that's a good amount. Back here I got my soy sauce, which I'll use for my homemade sauce. Sesame oil, which I'll use to stir fry. I'm going to use a combination of the sesame oil and the stir fry oil here. I'll probably use a tablespoon of each. And then my hoisin and my oyster sauce I will use in combination with this to make my sauce for the vegetables. Here on my plate I have some straw mushrooms I cut in half, a 1/4 cup of bamboo shoots, a 1/4 cup of water chestnuts. I have half of a small Vidalia onion that I julienned. I have 2 stalks of green onion or scallions that I just kind of randomly cut any kind of way. I have 1 teaspoon of freshly grated I can't think right now, grated ginger, and then I have 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stir fry the garlic and the ginger. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of each one of these, and I'm going to eyeball it. Unfortunately, I don't have a wok, so I'm just kind of doing what I can do with what I got, you know? So there's my sesame oil and my stir fry oil. I like using the stir fry oil because it has extra flavoring and seasoning in it. Like it has garlic and some other things in there to give it a little bit more flavor. So we're going to heat this up, and then we're going to throw our garlic and ginger in there. Okay, so I put about half the bag of vegetables in my little bowl right here. As you can see, it has broccoli, carrots, some red pepper, some baby corns, basic stuff you find in a Oriental stir fry. So I'm letting my heat up, and it's pretty heated up. So we have to remember that this is going to go really fast, so it's very important that you have all of your stuff already made up, sitting on the sidelines, waiting for you to put it in the pan. So it's going to go boom, 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 that quick. After I stir fried my garlic and my ginger about 30 seconds, I'm throwing in my tofu. I like really firm tofu, and this is extra firm tofu, but I want to cook it a little bit more to give it some more texture, if you will. It'll still be soft in the middle, but on the outside it'll toughen up a little bit, which is what I like. So we'll probably let this go a couple of minutes until it gets to the texture I kind of want it to be on the outside. And this will be my protein that I added to the stir fry, as opposed to chicken, beef, shrimp, any kind of seafood. So yeah. The next thing I'm going to add is my fresh vegetables. So here we go. You see that kind of toasty color right there on the tofu? That's exactly what I'm looking for. Exactly what I'm looking for. Some more right there. Very nice. Alright, next I'm going to throw in my frozen vegetables. Now this is going to bring the temperature down in the pan considerably. So you may want to crank up the heat a little bit. And you also may see some moisture. And that's just kind of normal because the stuff is frozen. So while it's defrosting, if you will, it may release some moisture, but that's okay. You can just stir fry it until all of the moisture has evaporated towards the end. So we're just going to stir fry this. You can need to add a touch of oil. That's fine, but usually if you use a non-stick pan, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. As you can see, there is a little bit of moisture here, so I don't need to add any. I'm going to put a lid on this for a couple of minutes so the steam can help the broccoli and the frozen vegetables kind of heat up quicker, if you will. The steam will help that happen. Okay, so for the sauce, I use 2 tablespoons of hoisin, 2 tablespoons of oyster, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. So I'm about to pour it in here. It's pretty dry in this pan, so hopefully this will moisten it up a bit and give it some flavor. Smelling good up in here. Just for a little kick, I'm going to add just a dash of red pepper flakes. Yep. Alright, here we go. Finished product. I'm serving this with about 1/3 of a cup brown rice. So yeah, I'm excited.